Nice. So we are Ching celebrating his birthday.
Yes, man.
Big up Ching.
How we pronounce it?
Ching.
Ching. Oh God, right. A little by the end of the
I
day.
like it, but it's songing nice.
It's songing nice. Right. So yeah. So first time out with Kalpoo, first time fishing.
Yes.
Right. So we are going to show him a thing or two, and none of these members here are professional fishers. They're first timers. Only one.
You did once.
He did it once.
Only saltfish, you know about that.
Only saltfish you know about. Alright. So we'll keep you guys posted how the crew do at the end of the day. Fishing with Kalpoo. That's one more for the captain's log.
Yeah.
Come Nicole, turn. That's okay if it's small. The money is yours.
Nicole on my line, eh?
We have your line too.
My line.
Alright. Oh God, Nicole, look at that
No,
bird
this
nest.
is my line of catch, baby.
You catch. She's trying to take your fish, Nicole. Watch it. Do we see the fish, Nicole?
Mine's still there, no.
It's small, but you win the prize, don't worry.
Checking, man.
Nice. Jam them. All didn't know. The first fish was actually Ching fish. Right? Because it was just tangled with Nicole line. Nicole girl, you had to take that girl, the birthday boy. But as he dropped down back again one time, that was talking about me. Nice man, jam them.
Don't know. Inside.
Nice.
Everyone has
Nice man, G. Jam them. Yeah, buddy. Show them the grades. Nice man. Jam them. Look at what? Nice. Jam them. Yeah. Nice. That's talking about man. Jam them. I said she on fire, man. She on fire. Bring it in. Nice.
I told y'all.
Nice. Jam them.
Watch it.
Yabby. The musket. Premium meat. That's what I'm talking about, man. Jam them. Nice, man. Bring them up. Raise up the machine over Butter crow. Nice one. Just show your partner on the side what fish looks like. Nice, man. Nice boy, Ching boy. Nice UV, red inside. Nice B. Nice. Someone, bring it. Yeah, that's someone. Jam them, nice one. Let me see it. If you all didn't know who is this guy, this is the mayor here, you know. You understand? Nice man, G. Jam them.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
The mayor? Nice. Jam them. Nice man. Well, this is first time this crew is coming out with the captain. What they didn't know is how good the captain is and where the captain was going to carry them.
Yes.
They jammed some busy ones, but they run out of bait.
Yes.
So you know it's all fun with Kalpoo. So I'm going to take them. We're going to celebrate the birthday still.
Yes.
We're going to take a little dip and continue the party. So we'll keep you guys posted. One more for the captain's log. Signing out.
One up.
You reel. Faster, reel faster. Faster as you can. Nice fish on, man. Come in. Reel him in, baby. What you see? Nice, stop. Keep reeling me. Come in, reel him in. Reel him in. Don't stop. He'll come out. Reel him in. Come. Keep the tension on. Keep the tension on. Nice fish. Nice fish. I caught fish too. Bring him. Bring him inside me. Bring him inside. Bring him inside. Bring him. Oh, go. Alright. He come out. He come out. He come out. He come out. Alright.
Good.
He's a good ponga, man.
I seen it. She love the pong.
Cheers. You see all looking inside, eh, boss lady?
Show them all looking.
Fine,
Mash
fine.
it up, mash it up, fine, fine, fine. Play the tune.
Nice man, jam.
Ching, you see?
Ching, tell me.
Chow, chow.
Nice
Listen,
man,
look,
nice
listen,
man.
Well
Chow,
done.
chow. Chow, chow.
Well done.
On the spot.
Watch now, this pineapple sweet. Yeah, boy.
We're drunk. One of them.
These boys are trying some fresh oysters that we just harvest out of the water, the mangrove roots itself there. And we're gonna give them a little shot. Let me see a couple there, partner. Give them a little shot of a few here.
So you have to put it in water.
But I put it in the water just to rinse it out and get the little fine shells. And we have some of the chow sauce left over from the pine chow. And you get a little touch. That's you, partner.
So do take and chew or just swallow?
You can chew, you can swallow. I like to chew.
I like the drip.
Me too, me too.
Yeah, let me see it, let me see it. Nice, nice, nice. Talk to me.
Perfect.
Nice, man.
Oyster, original.
Perfection. It is real good.
Real good, yeah.
Hey, you do that.
Real good.
You do that, Diana, for me.
Nice, man.
Don't put one for wifey. Yes, that.
So nice. We just returned back with the birthday boy. How you find it was, buddy?
It was nice.
It was a nice
Love
experience.
The experience, yeah.
Right.
Caroni swamp.
Nice, man. So
Well
I'll close it off for me now.
One more for the captain's love.
Nice, man.
One of